Since its introduction in 1962 as the first standardized post system, ParaPost has become the most widely used post in dentistry. In fact, over 50 years of clinical data and over 500 studies attest to the ParaPost system's safety, effectiveness, and versatility. Today, ParaPost offers you a complete range of fiber and metal posts for both direct and indirect endodontic restorations, addressing your needs for any clinical situation. Today, we are going to take a close look at the system's fiber and metal posts designed for when you are using the direct technique. Let's start by looking at two ParaPost fiber posts, FiberLux and TaperLux. Both FiberLux and TaperLux have a rounded head design and color-coded bands that make it easy to tell the post size at a glance. Both are also translucent and light transmitting for fast on-command cementation and ideal for high aesthetic metal-free restorations using the direct one-office visit technique. With FiberLux, you get a cylindrical post designed for universal post application. Its rounded, undercut, double head shape gives you optimal core retention, and it is parallel-sided for a stress-free fit. Other important features of the FiberLux post include retention ledges and anti-rotation surfaces. FiberLux is available in 6 sizes. TaperLux is a cylindro-conical post for use in narrow canals where protection of sound tooth structure is absolutely key. Its .04 taper in the apical third gives you a good apical fit when used with the greater taper file technique. TaperLux features a 3-head design for easy post-length adjustment, retention ledges, anti-rotation surfaces, and a rounded undercut head shape for optimal core retention. TaperLux is available in 4 sizes. Whether you choose to use FiberLux or TaperLux, you'll appreciate the long list of benefits associated with these fiber posts. These benefits start with superior aesthetics. Fiber posts are made of translucent or opaque fiber resin materials that reflect the natural hues of the tooth and eliminate shadows at the gingival crown interface. Coupled with the superior aesthetics are excellent strength characteristics that contribute to the restoration's long-lasting durability without compromising flexibility. The superior head design minimizes stress. Both the head design and the retention ledges help to increase the mechanical retention of the core material. Plus, the ParaPost fiber posts are made to be used with resin-based cement and core buildup materials, such as Coltene's ParaCore. This creates an optimal monoblock between the dentin, post, and crown, resulting in one cohesive restoration. In addition to all of this, both ParaPost FiberLux and ParaPost TaperLux have excellent radiopacity and easy cementation because the translucent material allows the use of light-curing cements and core materials. While ParaPost fiber post options have many benefits, they're not the best choice for all direct restoration situations. That's why the ParaPost system also includes 3 X-System metal posts. All 3 are made from a titanium alloy that is twice as strong as pure titanium, are parallel-sided for a stress-free fit, and chamfered for ease of insertion. The ParaPost XP, which is a cylindrical post with a flat head, is ideal for the treatment of slim or multi-rooted teeth. The XP has an X-shaped pattern for improved retention, cement venting, and resistance to rotation. XP is also available in stainless steel and comes in 7 sizes. The ParaPost XH is a cylindrical post for easy core buildup application. It has a rounded, undercut, double-headed design that locks onto core materials and a flat shoulder stop that provides security against over-insertion and apical stress. Like the XP, the XH has an X-shaped pattern for improved retention, cement venting, and a superior mechanical grip. The XH post is available in 7 sizes. The third option is the ParaPost XT, which is a cylindrical threaded post with an X-shaped retention pattern for use where very high mechanical grip is required, such as wide and/or short canals or sclerotic dentin. The XH's low-profile thread cuts through dentin with minimal insertional stress. It's got the rounded, undercut, double-headed design for optimal core retention and a flat shoulder stop to guard against over-insertion and apical stress. The XH post is available in 6 sizes. Regardless of which ParaPost X metal post you choose, you'll get a high-quality metal post with superior characteristics. Coltene's patented X-shaped retention pattern provides resistance to rotation, superior tensile retention, and excellent cement venting. The post's parallel-sided design distributes functional stress equally along the entire length of the post, while a special manufacturing technique offers increased resistance to oblique forces. In conclusion, the ParaPost system's options for direct endodontic restorations include 2 fiber posts and 3 metal posts to address all clinical needs. Whichever you choose, you'll be using posts that are backed by Coltene, the world's most trusted post manufacturer.